Found a way to dish the lettuce out much faster. I'm sorry, Mama. Keep eating. This duck's been brave because there was seeds over here. But this way, we get to... There's a crow up there. This way, we get to actually see them eat for a while on film. 3 of the babies were over here for a while. Hi! 3 of the babies were over here for a while, but 2 of them got full and left. So it's just this one now and the mum. And the aggressive goat. See, the seeds run out now, so the ducks are way less interested. They will eat the lettuce, but it seems to be a preference for the seeds. Someone's also left a bunch of stuff over there that they're vaguely interested in sometimes, but there was corn. They like corn a lot. Hi! Coming over throwing the seed? Yeah. Good eats here. Sister's with her mate today. So they decided not to stay over here. Oh my gosh, burping. Nasty. Really? Noisy. Oof. So mean to each other. Oh, preening time. Good preening, Mama? You know your baby left, right? Fair enough. Food. Me too. Me too, girl. Me too. Priorities. They really like the seed. Oh, baby was stretching its wings over there. I missed it. Phooey. Hopefully we'll get more wing stretches, huh, Mama? You going for more lettuce, or are you going to... She's hungry. She is hungry. There's a lot of lettuce left on the ramp here, so she might come over and have some of that. Yeah? You coming for some lettuce, Mama? Yeah? Good eats, huh? No. Would rather dip down and find some stuff down there instead. That's fair. Ah. Yeah, there you go. Good reach. Oh, and a surprise bit underneath too. Yoink. A very brave lady. Stretch. Let's see if we can get some of this stuff over to her. Oh, here you go. I think I heard it land behind you. You'd rather stretch. Oh my goodness, what a stretch. Look at you go, huh? It broke its line. Nice. Oh. Yeah? Oh. You are a lovely lady. So pretty. So very pretty. Yep, go ahead. Good reaching. Alright, bye-bye, Mama. Looking to make sure I don't have any more. Anyone gonna come over and say hi? Get some more seed? You're considering it, but you're also kind of scared, which is fair. She's off to go catch up with the rest of the family, who are slowly heading round the corner. I think they sleep on the other side of the island from what I've seen.